Hi, I'm Faraz Javed and welcome to this Emirates News coronavirus update. Here's the latest. Now, there are over 6.5 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 around the world. That's according to Johns Hopkins University, who say the number of deaths has passed 386,000. The U.S. has the highest number of cases with over 1.8 million people infected and more than 107,000 fatalities. Meanwhile, cases in Brazil continue to rise, with the number now having surpassed 584,000 and over 32,000 deaths. In Russia, the total number of cases is now over 440,000 and more than 5,000 deaths. Also, infection in the UK have now crossed 281,000, while the number of fatalities in the country are fast approaching 40,000. And India's infection rate is refusing to slow down as well, with close to 218,000 confirmed cases and over 6,000 fatalities. The UAE announced last night 571 new cases of the coronavirus after more than 41,000 additional COVID-19 tests that were conducted among UAE citizens and residents. This brings the total number of infections here in the country to 36,359, but keep in mind, this includes those receiving treatment, recovered cases and deaths. The Ministry of Health and Prevention also announced 427 additional recoveries, raising the total number of recoveries in the country to 19,153. This means here in the UAE, the recoveries stand at more than 52% of the confirmed cases. Now, sadly, one more patient succumbed to the virus, taking the total number of deaths here to 270. So, Dubai is all set to develop a unique digital dashboard to monitor and predict the spread of coronavirus here in the city. Now, the initiative is being developed by Dubai's COVID-19 Command and Control Center in partnership with Smart Dubai. Once operational, the dashboard will collect accurate and real-time data to help carry out targeted containment measures. Officials say the government of Dubai has been investing in smart infrastructure over the past 2 decades, and that's why the city's technological advancements continue to play a key role in controlling the spread of the virus here in the city. Now, airports across the UAE have been given the green light to operate once again, but with limited number of flights. That's according to the National Authority of Emergency Crisis and Disaster Management, who say the permission is only for transit and repatriation flights. So that's either for expats returning to their home countries or for UAE residents and citizens making their way back here. The airlines that have been allowed to schedule these flights are Emirates, Etihad, Fly Dubai, and Air Arabia. Meanwhile, the decision to suspend passenger flights to and from the country is still in effect until further notice. And once again, it's to stop the spread of COVID-19 here in the UAE. Now, if you're running a cafe, a restaurant, or a bakery, or any kind of food outlet in Sharjah, well, then listen up. New regulations say that you must install CCTV cameras in areas where food is prepared and cooked. Sharjah municipality says the new measure will ensure that customers feel comfortable with health and safety measures when eating out. Now, here's the thing, eateries have been given 6 months to implement the new rule. The ministry, or the municipality rather, says that anyone caught breaking the policy will face large fines and penalties. Meanwhile, consumers can report violations by calling 993. Staffing levels at all ministry and federal authorities will go up to 50% from next week. The UAE government made the announcement saying all COVID-19 preventive measures are in place for both staff and its customers. Now, the move also follows from the success of last week, where the federal staffing was capped at 30%. As for those exempt from returning to work, they include pregnant women, people of determination, people with compromised immune system, and female employees taking care of their children who are in grade 9 and below, or children of determination that require constant care. Jebel Ali Free Zone has conducted a massive disinfection program and is now ready to facilitate the full operation of 8,000 companies that are based across the facility. Officials say the disinfection program started back in March and hasn't stopped ever since. In fact, the program has covered all offices and accommodation buildings, security gates, and commercial centers, as well as roads in Sharjah. Plus, with the return of its staff, Sharjah has implemented a comprehensive policy to stop the spread of COVID-19 as per the guidelines set by Dubai Health Authority. And just in case if you did not know, Sharjah is home to over 100 of the global Fortune 500 companies and has attracted 23.9% of Dubai's foreign direct investment.
Keeping our people's safety is one of our top priority. Therefore, we have taken precautionary measures in our office, in our warehouses, in order to ensure following those measures which has been informed to us by the concerned local authority. As one of the key players in Jabal Ali Free Zone, we made sure earlier for last couple of months that cargo is still moving and the product reached the market accordingly. And we will definitely make sure by following the right measures to continue providing these services to our clients and to the public.
Okay, that's it for now. Stay tuned to Dubai One for regular updates on the COVID-19 pandemic throughout the day. And don't miss our full bulletin this evening. Bye for now.